Attention home buyers. I have an update on Kamala Harris' $25,000 assistance package for home buyers. First, some people believe that giving $25,000 out for home buyers, that's going to drive the market up. Her team believes first-time home buyers only make up 30% of home shoppers. So with $25,000 and lower mortgage rates, they don't believe that's going to drive home prices up. What do you think? And to qualify so far, you have to be a first-time home buyer. That means you can't own a home in the past 3 years. Just first-time home buyers, not first generation, unlike Joe Biden's plan when he ran. Second thing, so far it's coming in a form of a tax credit. That means you get a tax credit for $25,000 if you're a first-time home buyer. I know what you're thinking. You don't want it as a tax credit. You want that money up front to cover down payment and closing costs when you buy your home. But I know her team is thinking about different ways for them to advance the money. I just don't know how they're going to do it yet. I just don't know how they're going to give $25,000 to every first-time home buyer in the United States and advance the money up front. We'll just have to wait and see. But for those who are buying a home right now, here is the nationwide average mortgage interest rates. Remember, these rates are just a ballpark. Give your lender a call so you can get an accurate quote. Let me know in the comments below, do you think this is a good thing or a bad thing for the housing market? Let me know down below.